Hari Om children, this is exercise number 7.3, sum number 1. A vessel is in the form of a hemispherical bowl mounted by a hollow cylinder. Mounted by a means a cylinder is there upon which the hemispherical bowl is enclosed, surmounted. Okay, the diameter is 14 centimeter. If the diameter, the radius, the diameter of the hemisphere and the diameter of the cylinder will be the same. Okay, so diameter, if it is 14 centimeter, radius is 7 centimeter for both cylinder and hemisphere. Radius is 7 centimeter. Here also radius is 7 centimeter. Now radius is 7 centimeter. Okay, the height of the vessel they have given, height of the total vessel they have given. We have to find the height of the cylinder separately and height of the hemisphere separately. See, half of the sphere is only hemisphere. Okay, so if this is sphere, this is 7 centimeter, radius is 7 centimeter throughout the circle. From the center to the end of the circle, it is 7 centimeter only. If we cut the sphere into two halves, then it is a hemisphere. Of the hemisphere, from the center to the end of the circle, it is 7 centimeter only. So height and radius will be considered the same in hemisphere. Clear? H is equal to R. So if this is 7 centimeter, this is also 7 centimeter. Now I will be finding the height of the cylinder from this. Okay, the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Out of this, I am taking out the height of the hemisphere. What will be the remaining? Remaining will be height of the cylinder 13 minus 7, which is equal to 6 centimeter. Is that clear, children? Now we have to find the capacity of the, capacity means it is volume. So total capacity is total capacity of the vessel equal to volume of the cylinder plus volume of the hemisphere. Now volume of the cylinder formula will be pi r squared h. Pi r squared h plus volume of the hemisphere formula will be 2 by 3 pi r cube. So if we add both the volumes, we will be getting the total volume of the vessel, cubic units. Okay, children. Now I can take pi common outside. R, radius of the cylinder and radius of the hemisphere both are same. So I can take radius as common outside. So r squared I can take, and height cannot be taken outside. H plus 2 by 3 r will be inside the bracket. Now 22 by 7, radius is 7. So 7 into 7, height of the cylinder height is 6 centimeter plus 2 by 3 into 7 again. Now 7 gets cancelled. Remaining 22 into 7. 7 2s are 14. Remainder 1. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 1, 15. So it is 154. 6 plus 7 2s are 14 divided by 3, which is equal to 154. So 150, take LCM. 3 is your LCM. 6 3s are 18 plus 14 equal to 154 into 8 plus 4 is 12. 32 divided by 3. 154 into 32. 4 2s are 8. 5 2s are 10, remainder 1. 1 2 is 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 4 3s are 12, remainder 1. 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1, 16, remainder 1. 1 3 is 3, 3 plus 1 4. 8 2 9 4. So 4 9 2 8 divided by 3. Cancel in the third table. 1 3 is 3. 6 3s are 18. 19. 4 3s are 12. 2 3s are 6. 7 8 20. 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18, and it goes on like that. So we will round off to the nearest. Capacity, total capacity of the vessel is equal to 1642.67 centimeter cube. Underline the solution and draw line after the sum is over. Hari Om.